Hi you guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. The Ipsy Boxycharm is here. So if you'd like to see what's inside September's box, then just stay tuned. All right, so here's the card for this month, and it says, this September, let's find your groove. You possess a rhythm entirely your own, so this month, let it be the soundtrack to your journey of self-expression and growth. Move to your own beat, explore makeup that celebrates your unique beauty, and embrace all your passions. And this month, Ipsy is celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. And inside this card, it says, we're celebrating all the unique cultures within this diverse community by spotlighting the voices and beauty brands inspired by it. And then it shows 3 different beauty brands that all have Hispanic, Latin owners. All right, so the first product in this month's BoxyCharm box is the Dermalactives Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Energizing Body Lotion. And you guys, this smells so good, and you are getting a ton of lotion in this bottle. 200 milliliters, 6.76 ounces, you guys. Crazy. Next in the box is this Laura Geller palette. This has 6 soft satin eyeshadows and 2 highlighters in it. This is the Laura's Essentials palette. Love the packaging. It is so pretty. And then opening it up, it looks a little something like this. Such a beautiful neutrals palette, and those 2 highlighters are absolutely gorgeous. I have them on my cheeks as well as my eyes today. Next in the BoxyCharm box is the Tarte Man Eater Waterproof Mascara. And you guys, I love the wand on this. It holds so much product and has all these little tiny teeth, so it really grasps on to each and every lash. And then the tip of it is kind of a ball, so that way you can really get into the inner corner or the lower lash line area. Next product in the box is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil. And this is in the shade Lilac Quartz. And you guys, I tried to show this off on my stories, but it just did not show up like it did in person. So I'm gonna see what it's gonna look like on camera. In person, it is a beautiful, beautiful iridescent lilac, glittery, pinky. It's just so stunning. Let's see. But on camera, I don't know why, it is like a blue. That is so crazy. And the last product in this month's BoxyCharm box is the Keys Soul Care Comforting Tinted Lip Balm. And this is in the shade Sheer Bliss. I absolutely love Keys Soul Care brand, you guys. Everything that I've tried from this brand is just chef's kiss. I wouldn't expect anything less from Alicia Keys. But I love this lip balm because it like looks so natural, you know? And it doesn't feel heavy. It's just a nice kind of lip balm. I can definitely see me popping this in my makeup bag and my purse for just on-the-go hydration. This has avocado oil in it as well as camellia seed oil, so it's really nourishing for the lips. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below which product was your favorite or which one you hope to get inside your box. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another BoxyCharm box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.